In the vast expanse of the Star Wars universe, where lightsabers clash and starships blaze across the cosmos, a thread of ancient Nordic mythology weaves itself through the narrative. Yes, you heard it right. The epic space opera that has captured the hearts of millions finds its roots tangled in the stories of the old Norsemen. Consider Jedi Master Yoda, the wise and powerful mentor. His character parallels the Norse god Odin, who, like Yoda, is endowed with wisdom and magical skills. Both figures are respected and revered by their followers, and both guide their respective heroes, Luke Skywalker and the mighty Thor, through their epic journeys. In Yoda's words, "Do or do not, there is no try," we find Odin's philosophy of perseverance and determination. Now picture Darth Vader, the fallen Jedi Knight turned Sith Lord. His story bears striking similarities to the tale of Loki, the trickster god. Both Vader and Loki start as promising figures, only to fall from grace due to their ambitions. Their stories are tragic, filled with deception and betrayal, and ultimately redemption. Princess Leia, a symbol of hope and courage in the Star Wars universe, shares her spirit with Freya, the Norse goddess of love, beauty, and war. Both women are fierce, brave, and unyielding, standing tall in the face of adversity to protect their people. And then we have Han Solo, the charming rogue with a heart of gold. His character mirrors that of the Norse god Freya, the Lord of Peace and Prosperity, who is also known for his adventurous spirit. Both Han and Freya are lovable rogues, quick-witted and daring, winning over audiences and gods alike with their charisma. In the mystical energy field of the Force, we see shades of the Norse concept of Weird, a cosmic power that shapes destiny. Both the Force and Weird are omnipresent, influencing the lives of every being and shaping the course of events. In the end, the Star Wars saga, much like the old Norse tales, is a story of heroism, sacrifice, and the eternal struggle between good and evil. It tells us about the power of destiny and the strength of the human spirit. The Nordic influences in Star Wars are undeniable, adding a layer of depth and texture to the narrative. So the next time you watch Star Wars, remember the tales of Odin, Loki, Freya, and Freya. Remember the ancient Norse sagas spun into the stars and let them add a new dimension to your viewing experience. The saga continues, as does the legacy of the Norsemen in the hearts of Star Wars fans around the globe. In exploring the Nordic influences on Star Wars, we see that the beloved franchise is not just a space opera, but a modern retelling of ancient tales. It's a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the timeless appeal of heroes, villains, and epic battles. So here's to Star Wars for bringing the old Norse tales to life in a galaxy far, far away.